Hello, my name is Andrew Huynh, and today I'll be teaching you how to find reciprocal trig ratios. To begin with, we need to ask ourselves what are the six trigonometric ratios. And here we have sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. This is pretty much your bread and butter for whatever is on this topic. And here we have cosecant, secant, and cotangent. This is pretty much the inverse of whatever you got here, and you're pretty much flipping the values compared to what you got here. So instead of writing opposite over hypotenuse, you write hypotenuse over opposite, and etc. etc. Here's a problem I did prior, and I'll walk you over my thinking process. So here we're asked to find the six trigonometric ratios for A, and there's A. And first we need to define sine, which is, recalling back, we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite of A would be 5, and the hypotenuse would be 13. So that would be 5 over 13. That's going to be our fraction bar. Next we're asked to find cosine, which, recalling back, is adjacent over hypotenuse. And the adjacent value for A is 12, and the hypotenuse is 13. So that would be 12 over 13. Next we're asked to find the tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. So that would be 5, which is opposite of A, over 12, which is the adjacent aspect to that of A. Now that we found the main trigonometric ratios, next we have to do cosecant, secant, and cotangent. And the easiest way to do this is that after finding your sine, your cosine, your tangent, whatever you get here, you just pretty much flip the values and you just input it here. But one important thing to keep in mind is that you can't just put inverse of this value into, secant or cotangent. You have to put it in its exact value. So sine is identical to that of cosecant. So the value here would be flipped from here, and you can't just put this value anywhere here. It has to match up. So sine matches with cosecant, cosine matches up with secant, and tangent will match up with cotangent. And that's all I have for you today, and thanks for watching.